Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Extra crust lovers, this is for you. So I just showed you everything you need for an extra crust peach cobbler. And if you notice in there, I have an extra batch of dough that I put together. The reason why is because the normal amount of dough that you will need for peach cobbler, you're going to need extra for that extra crust. And the reason why is because it's going to go in the middle. Now, this is something that Patti LaBelle has brought out at Walmart or wherever she's selling it at, but this is not a new recipe. Southern women have been doing this for years. All right? It's all the rage now, but now we know how to do it. So the thing about it is, watch the video. If you already know how to make peach cobbler, then you're good. But if you don't know how to make peach cobbler, then you're going to do what I call a triple crust. So you're going to put that crust at the bottom, same way I show you in my video making peach cobbler. So you're going to bake that for a couple minutes. You're going to put half of your peach cobbler mixture in there. Then you're going to put on that middle part right there. On top of that, you're going to put the extra pieces of dough that you made. So you can make, it can be any shape, it does not matter. So you can put a whole layer of dough, but the thing about it is, here's the key. You must bake that dough before you put that in the middle of that peach cobbler, and bake it fully. Don't put it in there raw. If you do, then you're going to have some gummy dough in the middle. So make sure you bake it all the way. And after that, you're going to put the other half of your mixture on the top, and then you're going to put your top crust on there. This is what gives you the extra crust. So easy, so simple, but so good. If you are a crust lover with peach cobbler, this is for you. It is so good. But y'all know what I always say. Y'all better go make this. So check out my peach cobbler video on here. I actually have two of them, but check them out. Put that extra crust in there and run with it. All right. See y'all in the kitchen. So you're going to put everything into a pot. You're going to put that large can of peaches, the cornstarch, sugar, butter, lemon juice, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and the nutmeg. You're going to put it all into a pot. You're going to stir this up and you're going to bring it to a boil. I tell you what, don't boil it to death. You don't have to boil it for hours and hours. You're going to boil until you get a smooth mixture. So until that cornstarch is gone. If you don't have cornstarch, please use flour. It'll work just fine. Alright, so let's get to the part of the video that everybody came here for, the extra crust. So once you roll your dough out and you cut your crust, you put your bottom crust in there. And you got your top crust. Well, those pieces that are left over, that's what's going to form our extra crust. So you can see it can be any shape. It doesn't matter. All you want to do is you want to put it on a pan and you want to bake them, and you want to bake them fully. Don't put that dough in there raw. Make sure that that dough is baked brown and crispy before you put it in there. Right, now that it's fully baked, your bottom crust, you have it. You're going to put half of your filling. You're going to put those baked pieces in the middle. Then you're going to put your other filling, and then you're going to put your crust on the top like I've done here. And there you have it. You're going to bake it for however long you bake your peach cobbler. For a recipe, I got a link right there. Check that out if you're not sure. All right? And this is what you'll end up with. So, thanks for watching. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.